Haven't played it in like forever. Let's go.
Sightless passage? Okay, that's not a bad cave. I can work with that. We might find some cool stuff.
Wait, we're doing.
Yeah, I think you're cooked. Nah, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're gonna be okay.
I had a special hoverboard, but I replaced it with this one. Sheep.
Here, we have a bunch of poison enemies, which is good. That's good. Way too dark down here. Okay, so that's unkillable. That's good. Good start.
Do 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 do.
What the fuck is that room? There's like a billion.
I'm not focused. Why my game laggy? H box. Mr. E. I completed the word. I completed the word though. I did all of them. Tap to open. Hoverboard. I don't care. This stupid ad. Claim my reward. Oh yeah. Claim. Claim. No. Claim. Let me claim. Why the ice top run? UK bronze. I remember that one time I got diamond. Diamond rank I got. Choose me. This was a limited edition one. This is the one I was talking about. It's a good double jump. Bye-bye.